Hi guys, I wanted to give you a walkthrough of how to get to your writer's notebook from our virtual classroom. This is Miss Ingram's virtual classroom, and you will see that in this place you have different links to all the different tools that we need to use every day for writing. If you see right here where the picture of Google Classroom is, and you click on it, it will open up straight to Google Classroom. See? That easy. All you have to do is click on that picture and it will take you straight there. Google Classroom is where you can find all of our different assignments that we do on a daily basis. Now, you can always click on this mentor text and you will go straight to a mentor text video that talks you through how to do the mentor text activity. If you click on our Writer's Notebook podcast, you will be taken to the podcast. Now, remember, whenever listening to our podcast for Writer's Notebook time, you have to make sure that you scroll down so that you pick the different episodes or episode that you are assigned to do. You just click down, play the podcast, and it will play automatically on there for you. You do not have to click on Spotify or message or anything else. You just simply scroll down and it will play automatically there for you on the website. Other things that we have over here that are useful for us to use or do is our task board. On our task board, you will see the date that the assignment of the assignment or the class that is due, and you will see the very three things that make up our writing time. The very first thing that you do is you do your daily prompt, then you do your mentor text day, which usually tells you which days are due. On September 8th, day 1 and day 2 will be due because it is a short day, a short week actually, and there's no school on Monday. So we actually start Tuesday and then Wednesday and Thursday. So you will be doing 2 activities in one. And after you do your mentor text activity of the week, you do your writer's notebook. Now, on Mondays and Tuesdays, we will be using our real composition notebooks. You will be assigned a podcast that you have to listen to, and you will write in your real hardback composition notebook. On Wednesdays and Thursdays, you will use your digital classroom notebook. And for that, you can click on this notebook and it will open up to mine that will usually have a sample for you to look at. So, like Unforgettable Stories, you will have a sample from me of one of my stories and what it looks like if you want a little inspiration. But the writer's notebook is really a place for you to write your ideas. So usually you can just come on here for fun to kind of see what I'm writing because I like to write a lot as well. Being a writing teacher, that's just fitting, right? But what is most helpful about this is a link directly to the writer's notebook, and the sound on shows you that there is directions about what to do in each page. For example, in this very cover of our notebook, we had to illustrate our cover. So I put my little Bitmoji and my name. You were supposed to have all kinds of images on here. I need to get on mine. Now, if you want to get to your writer's notebook, you simply click here. And that will be an access that takes you straight to your writer's notebook. If you click on here, you will have your own digital notebook. This will always be the same and never changes, and it is titled My Digital Writer's Notebook Ongoing on Google Classroom. It has also a link directly to our podcast and your notebook. And on here, each week, you will see what task you have to do each day. So this week of September 2nd and 3rd, on the 2nd, you had to complete slide 1, which was to decorate your cover and listen to podcast 1. Then on the 3rd, what you had to do was complete slide 2 and write about unforgettable stories and listen to podcast number 2. So on our virtual classroom, you can see all the things that you have to do on a daily basis. This is where Miss Ingram and Miss McComb will be explaining for you what to do. If you need reminders of what to do for your digital writing, like for your daily prompt or your mentor text, you will click right here on digital writing typing tips and you can see that lesson that we went over in class. And if you click on this, it will take you to YouTube to watch a video of me explaining exactly what to do. So all tools that you will be needing for writing